Guys, I'm so sad right now. Something happened to me. I wanted to make a braided wig for a client. I bleached my hair, the human hair I'm going to use, and I went to get some things, and before I would come back, this hair have over bleached. As you can see in this video, it's over bleached. When I say over bleached, even this video, it's not showing very well. So I was so sad. I don't know what to do, so I came up with an idea. I have two options to make this. I have two solutions to this problem. So I decided to caught up in this kind of situation. You don't need to panic. This is what I did to solve my own. I have a hair dye outdoor. I'm using outdoor, so you can use any hair dye of your choice. I'm using the brown shade because remember, I still want the roots to look natural, so I'm using the brown color. I poured in some hair dye inside a bowl. I don't have any measurements for now. I didn't use any measurements. I just poured as the spirit leads. So I poured in hot water inside the bowl. After you pour hot water inside the bowl, you stir it. If you have sea salt, you can add sea salt inside. Okay? Now stir it properly, and then I put my hair, my lace inside the bowl and allow the hair dye to soak in the hair. Okay, soaking in the hair, it's going to change the color. Don't worry, you are going to see the after look of this process. So I just soaked in my lace inside the hair dye and left it for some minutes. Guys, what you're seeing right now is how it looks after I did all the whole thing. This is how it looks, and I prefer it like this. This is the before. As you can see, there's a very huge difference, and I'm so happy I was able to solve this. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.